Sanbonani Makaya. I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to another exciting episode on Danko Disc podcast. Angihambi ke ngedwa as always. Ngihlezi ngiphethe legend yethu uSicelo Zuma, oyi-founder and CEO yeSicelo Sports Skills Development. Niyazi ke guys i-journey yethu la sisuka khona. Oh, by the way, I'm King Shamase for the new viewers. Yeah, i-journey yethu la sisuka khona bafethu ngihlezi ngiphethe umsholozi. Ngiyakhumbula sike saphuma senza even ama-outdoor whereby we visited lentwana ekuthiwa Junior, one of Isicelo Skills Development. Senza ama-coaching clinics and all those things. So siqhubeka lapho ke bafethu. Mhlambe namhlanje kune topic that I feel and I think ukuthi balekile izolekelela kakhulu nakwamanye ama team nabanye coach. But before singene kuyona ka ngiqale sibingelele lapha emakhaya Msholozi.
Siyabingelela Shamasi, siyabingelela ngibingelela abalaleli and ababukeli sanibingelela kakhulu sithi nje hayi sekuyona lento development asisuki asishintshe asijiki asindawo but kuloku ngicabanga ukuthi into sensitive I think into esizokhuluma ngayo namhlanje into ezoyenza abantu babuka ibhola ngenye indlela ukuthi ibhola is not only ibhola but still nabantu abakufanele sibacabangele kakhulu.
That's true. Nomsholozi ethu phinde sibonge no Spare guys sisakazela ePinetown, ePinecrest. This is Spare Pine Creek. Sibonga kakhulu leadership na wonke umuntu osilekelelayo. Ngizwile nakuthiwa amakhadi FML
amakhadi FML aphela. We want people to come and take amakhadi, those supporting Isicelo, those supporting uSpare ukuthole nje ikhadi lakhe libhaliwe Isicelo Sports ozolisebenzisa la eSpare. Sasho namanje sithi mawoqala sikubambile khona into ozayithola. So we gladly saying ukuthi support uSpare Pinecrest no Spare Sandy Center. Kune Pinetown Super Cup so batshela yonke into iyeza namhlanje unpacking yonke into.
Hey zilila kakhulu khona ngishishero nights guys ahlezenzeka every month since kunama birthdays engane no coach, so coach uzowashare ama details if there's an upcoming mase sizoyivala i-episode
na kanjani.
But ke straight to it coach, ngiye ngibone nami ngivakasha ngicoacha.
Yeah
Ngiyabona lapho ukuthi no kuningi okwenzeka kwe-development okuhlukile from okwenzeka kwi-professional football mawubuka ibhola and stuff.
Yeah
Mbona ingane laphana lapha maliphumile ibhola for example.
Yes
Bengaliphonsi ivele libekwe la kulayini kube ngathi free kick. Awuchaze about that so
ngizoqala la Shamase mfethu ngoba i-development angithi sikuyona siyayiphila. Meaning development sometimes they are based, some of the things that we do are based on the experience that you've also experienced. Into enzakalayo to start nje izinto ezincane labantwana singabatreat njengama professional. There are people manje abacabanga ukuthi labantwana bama professional. Then kubhlungu inhliziyo yami ngalokho because ingane I've met ingane eKloof. I'm sorry to mention the school name. I was conducting trials up. Lately these boys and abanye ba understand ukuthi why ngenze le yanto. Ngi stories ngane nje to cut and make sure ukuthi bas follow abantu once singena kule topic. Lo mfana omlungu uyazihlekela ngiyakhuluma. Yabo? Ngikhuluma into sensitive, ngikhuluma into isiqiniso, ngikhuluma nje dressing kids. But une smile, yabo? Hayi ukuthi uyahleka phese like uyadelela une smile. Yabo, smiling face. So hayi ingene training and then ngavele ngashenye into okubona ngathi I believe my boy the way you smiling at me you're going to show me something that I've never seen in my life. Then he started laughing. Basically, what I was implying to these other kids was that I like the funny face. I like the happy face that this boy is showing me. Because utik me na coach, I'm ready. Even if whatever happens, I'm not scared.
I get you.
The problem that manje sesiyenza enganeni is that ingane they are scared to make mistakes. They are actually scared of making mistakes. That is why ingane they don't really express themselves in like kids. So ingane ilahla ibhola ngizoyithethisa do you think lengane sezolifuna yini ibhola ngeke lifuna because mina into engisho kuyona ngithi he must do everything right at any moment but what about the person that he wants to or she wants ukwenza something else ngeke akwazi ukutry. So that is why ngithi mina ke kufanele si eliminate lento kakhulu le ukuthi ingane azibe yingane to a point ukuthi ingane sicabangela ukuthi she must make mistakes, she must rectify the mistakes on their own. Mina upload the willingness of doing mistakes. It's not easy because we're gonna lose games. Hence I was saying with development we need to be strict and say there is no winning unless he winning yam itingane he is not afraid to do mistakes with a smile. Ungena kilo topic ya today was ukuthi bengindlalela. The reason why bengindlalela I want people to not to scratch usicelo Zuma as a person but to make sure they understand ukuthi what has happened. Over the years, I think 100 of us, I was watching another game where Lokunja, he scored ngedolo. Umfana lo Bafana. He scored, but it was a goalie, but then basbathi the offside.
Okay.
But he didn't score with ngikhumbula kahle manje. It was uJabupule.
Okay.
uJabupule back in the days he scored a header kodwa kwangaba igoal kwathiwa offside apparently.
Okay.
Into enzekile akalihedanga nangelo khunja akalihedanga nangekhaya waliheda ngegxalaba.
Okay. Walishaya ngesitsotsi.
Lalela no not really ufuna ukushaya ngesitsotsi. Intentionally he wanted to score with a header.
Okay.
But uma manje ubuka it's like I'm gonna header this ball but ngiyasaba.
Okay.
Kade lelingishaya imitha lokhu lingishaya ikhanda manje mawuheda ibhola half of the time uyaqimeza ungaliboni ibhola.
That's true coach.
But ngizibuza umbuzo oyi1 ukuthi why phesheya when they head ibhola they are not afraid? Are they sending us through videos? Are they sending us through videos at an early age of development or not? I believe they're not.
They're not. I
believe there's some recipe that they're hiding from us so that Tina must head the ball we miss chances.
Plus yahlula thina ukhetha.
So meaning nomuntu okorile ukori cimezile. But awubuka uKane mesha igoli ushaya no Haaland
bashaya
ngonyawo. Thina mawuhead usuku qovisile ikhanda lime kanje mhlawumbe ushaya idolo lishaya phezulu.
So mucabanga coach yini edala nomehluko omngaka?
I will say this is what I'm saying. I'm thinking ukuthi it's because of their upbringing. Ingane ziheda ibhola way too early. Ziliheda way too early that zize zibe ne trauma ekhanda ezinye zingaze zigule. Yes uthothi usuyaliheda ibhola usumdala but le yanto yasale engqondweni ukuthi lento ibhlungu
trauma.
So that's the reason why I was saying mhlambe we need to look into it. I think other countries are looking into it ukuthi what can we do ukuthi as South Africans ukuthi no ingane asaliheda ibhola so that izo improve technique yazo in a grassroots level ibhola liphakama. Uma laphakama ibhola la ekhanda ifoul ube ngathi handball so that bezokwazi uku-improve thinking ba improve yonke into ngoba uma sibayedisa way too early I feel like si deprive ingqondo ukuthi igcine inento elimele sonke isikhathi and we eventually singabalimaza idamage ingqondo because there are people that are training ingane ezino 7 no 8 basifundisa ukuhead. Yes basifundisa ukuhead yabo ibhola liqinile lapha basifundisa ukuhead so ingane ziyasaba. So that's why I'm saying ukuthi mhlawumbe we need to look into it. No coach basilekelela abanye those coaches that abangayibuka further nabo abaphezulu ngoba thina we are just growing. We're just doing amanye ama research based on what we used to and what it is there esibona ukuthi i-challenge. So I'm saying mina ngokwami it should be a foul like what we do in Super Cup. Super Cup sithina akekho umuntu ozothrow ibhola liphansi. I do believe mina ukuthi throw ball ingafundiswa at the later stage. Ukuheader it can also be taught at the later stage. Once we can focus on that I think the more ingane ingakwazi ukuthi sibe nama opportunities ukuthi nathi ma story imasithola iheader umuntu ayibheka iheader ayishaye phakathi hayi ukuthi ashaye iheader esaba ecimezile. I think that's the fear that we've got, and we need to make sure that fear comes out of these boys at an early age, under 7, under 8, under 9, under 10, under 11, under 12 and under 13. Mhlawumbe ibhola liqalwe ukuheadwa when someone is 15 ukuthi hayi is 15 manje useqala manje usefundiswa iskill sokuheada ke manje engasasaba. I think
it makes a lot of sense.
I think so.
And the lento guys izosilekelela kakhulu because kubalekile ubu coach we development because you learn izinto eziningi ezihlukile because yabo lento ishoyo ngiyenze example ade sixoxela nje behind the scenes ukuthi exactly lenkinga okukhuluma ngayo manje kwi early childhood development into eyenzeka in one of other sports. Maningi ama superstars seke sawabona kwangathi asehanjelwe umqondo through ukuthinteka noma ukushaya kabuhlungu ekhanda. Isports esifana neboxing we have legends obonayo ukuthi basejiving akudlali ukushawa ngekhanda,
so just imagine
abangake bekhulile manje inaka ingane isa develop ishawa isikhumbe
ekhanda njalo ngasonke isikhathi, so subconsciously iyalimala yona but awuboni wena. So that's why ngithi ingako ke thina uthola ukuthi ibhola noma ngabe kuthiwa good header kangakanani kodwa ngalishaya nje umuntu aphesheya, which means there's something abasihidela yona because they will never give us everything. So we just need not to sibheke into zethu ukuthi is it working, is it not working, because believe me half of the goals esingawafaka la on screen they have been scored mhlambe ngehead. They have been scored umuntu ezicimezele but uyasaba lento ukuthi izoyenza yabo. So akufani nonyawo umuntu uyakhahlela elibhekile ibhola ingaka ibhola baze bathi uma uzokhahlela a shot awungaphakamisa ikhanda yonke into ayibheke phansi so lizoshaya kahle, and uma ukwenzile lokho ukwenza with freely and kuba igoal. Kodwa ngoba it's like awusabi uhlezi uzoliphakamisa ikhanda ibhola liphume phezulu kwebhande, kodwa if lento kade kulimaza thiwa kanje ingabe ngempela uyenzisisa so that izokwazi ukuimprove. So into ezikanjalo sengishola ukuthi lento liyasilimaza le. I think we need to look into it okwangempela.
No, it makes sense. I hope guys we take points. I think izosebenzela. I know izosebenzela, not even what I think.
Kuthiwe nje mhlawumbe it's a rule from SAFA ethi no uma ngabe kunebhola eliyaphezulu at these ages la thintwa ngekhanda it's a foul, iba handball kube like handball in a way ukuze ingane zilibeke phansi ibhola sifunde lento ethe sasifundile vele ibhola lalibekwa phansi.
Even uyazi ngisho wenza ama passes awukhuphuli
awukazi ukuthi akushaya ipass ephezulu kodwa it's freely ukuze ikwazi lento ukuthi isilekelele growing nokuthi sikwazi ukuba nama scoring amaningi ama opportunities singakori ngento eyodwa ukuthi iheader thina sikwazi ukuhead. It's not true. It's not true. I think it's this thing that is bulalayo.
No, it makes sense coach. Siyabonga kakhulu topic namhlanje guys is powerful and I believe mele vele sisistick kuyona singadweli kwezinye izinto.
So that nabo bazokwazi ukucomment. We want comments as well. We want them to tell us ukuthi babona kanjani because masifaka lento it's a topic. It's not something engithi mina yinto enje but it's a topic lengithi let's look into it into development. Ukuthi will it help us, will it not help us, where are the disadvantage, where ama advantage ngoba khona umunye uzovela kuthina athi hayi bafethu mina ngibona ukuthi akwenziwe so. Yes, we saying yes we can utilize ibhaluna kodwa ibhaluna will also not make izinto easier ukusaqala ngoba ibhaluna lishaya umoya kokuqala, so into ongayenza ngile so into kanjalo.
No, it makes sense. Coaches, please comment guys nokuthi nani nenza njani ke la developer khona if ninengane nama academy and lento once yabeka yaba standard mantetela ingane ziya kwamanye ama opportunities they will know manje ukuthi sebezoba trainer from here to here.
Yes
it makes sense. It makes sense. Msholozi mhlambe ungena nje kwi topic yeka PSL yavula isizini mtawonke they've been training lapha ko Spain and what not. Uyibuka kanjani kulonyaka wakhuluma last year sayibona futhi ingozi yokuthi Chiefs you must look out mhlawumbe kulonyaka isipikile ushayelela kangakanani?
I'm saying kulonyaka it's another challenge. There's no continuity in terms of technical team. I think basafundana I think izothinde futhi bathatha setback encane leyo nto ingaba ne hypermax aqala, but then again izophinda ibe ne setback because they didn't have a formidable squad as well that they are building on. It's something that they are still trying to establish. I feel like ukuthi kusazoba nama angle where Chiefs will also struggle a bit, but eventually if patience is on their side as well with the supporters and management, I think they will be able to get it right with the experienced coach they've got. It's just that I'm not happy with their signings. I'm not happy how things have been done by Chiefs, where they don't reinforce Owangempela when people are there in the market. I don't know what is it that they are looking at. So I still believe one of the big teams like Kaizer Chiefs, they should be dominating.
Exactly.
They should also be attracting all the players they want. They cannot lose some players amaningi that in terms of the positions that abalekile, they don't have those people. So there are people futhi abakhona that I think they should be striving for. They are not, which is a struggle for me. So I think I will also put in that it's one of those PSL teams that is gonna be there with no impact for me. Okwamanje. Unless they change how they do things. You cannot have Pirate that was dominating. You sign 10 players when you don't sign no one. You don't have Sundowns that is also adding up players that into certain positions and you just sitting. So what are you responding? So I like Chiefs so much. I like teams that will create competition. And I feel like ukuthi kuzoba struggle kancane. But we'll wait and see once the season starts. We will give them a prediction after, but not today. I think after first matches, not in the show. We don't want to send them a match just based on the performance past. But we wish them my teams good luck for the season, and we're looking forward to it.
No, siyabonga Msholozi, he said it, and Kaizer Chiefs yona enabalandeli abaningi abaloyali abenza impact kwi market no in economy yase South Africa.
I still feel Shamase ukuthi we need also to look into it ukuthi iPSL how can they help abantu. How can they lower a ticket so that people can go to stadiums? Because it's a manje sebe competition here TV where I'm paying for DStv to watch football or SABC whatever, and then suddenly they make a ticket so high and mean access still serving transport get down there. So they need to consider such things because manje abasenako ukuthi phela ama stadium begcwala kudala because there was no TV.
That's true.
So now sebe nabantu nababa ama challenge ama competitors awabo. What do they do to bring people in the stadium? Abayibheke lonto just leadership ibheke so that they can have more numbers in terms of the games.
And also into esingayithintanga the excitement sithi hlala KZN. We have how many teams now? 5
teams. Yeah, it's exciting. It's exciting, and we're looking forward to it. And we're saying ukuthi ngathi bengahlala, so that there are more opportunities for us developing ingane. So that sosebenzisana because talented less KwaZulu Natal likhulu kakhulu, and I so feel ukuthi KwaZulu Natal will have that thing yokuthi umuntu ozodlala la KZN kube umuntu esingenayo.
Yakuthola.
Kube umuntu esingenayo like what is happening in the PSL where you find ukuthi Otto is doing extra and above of the players that we've got. So they are learning something from him. I mean, like we don't want to have players that esmahlula kodwa they are dominating by PSL. They must give us extra. They must give us something that we don't have. If we strike at PSL, we need to strike Shaulile was scoring goals. He's showing something else that we're not doing. What is it that he's doing right? He's someone that must be brought as Oshincha. I'm expecting that guy from Pirate will do that from Norway.
Coming with something
that we don't have. Akungalandwa nje umuntu aphinda azifanele. But ke into esifisayo.
Makes sense. No, siyabonga Msholozi, mhlambe sesilivala uhlelo. I heard ukuthi namhlanje sinomphathi or one of the leaders ase-Spare.
Yes.
Phethe bani namhlanje?
uSandile siphethe uSandile namhlanje uzositshela ngento ezifew, some of the things that are happening behind the scenes as-Spare. We'll have a look at it and then also to support them in terms of what they do.
Exactly.
But basically into esenye sohamba ngayo ilethi uSpare is about family. So we must know that and we must embrace and we must make sure that we come for birthdays because this is creating memories for ingane.
Yeah.
So isicelo ke sivulile bafethu iPinetown Super Cup ifikile ngempela lencane in October 31st sizobe sihlangene lapha Christianberg Stadium la kuzobe kududulana khona ingane ziye stadium kulonyaka.
Alright.
We've just said nje ingane ze stadium sifuna dlale kugcwele emagcwele kuzobe kugcwele vele eClermont sifuna ukuthi umphakathi waseClermont ukhame ngomningi babo uzobuka ibhola from under 9 to under 12 bedlala kungadlala. So all the teams you are now welcome to take part and so keep it posters and everything. iPinetown Super Cup enkulu.
Yes.
Sizo announce mhla 31 August.
Okay.
Kodwa nje manje siyahlupheka ngama spaces asikwazi ukunithatha nonke unfortunately we can't but sesi ready manje kahle kahle ukannounce ama team ukuthi nje i-team lami lokuthi esicelo ima kancane mhla 31 August
Okay.
yonke into izobe revealed wonke ama team ama page wonke umuntu uzobe khona uzozibonela wonke umuntu. iPinetown Super Cup 2026
Liyabhubha.
Hayi ngathi
Bhubha kakhulu guys.
Sibonga uNkulunkulu sibonga abantu sibonga ama team ngoba iPinetown Super Cup akuyona yethu.
Yes.
Ama team ayiwona enze iPinetown Super Cup sisuka kude and we still believe ukuthi ngama team iPinetown Super Cup isangenzeka kakhulu kunalokho.
No, Msholozi, it's one of the initiatives engasa deserve nokuthi wena ngolodwa usuku. Ngisho ubona ukuthi
akusenzeki kulokwenza. Kodwa ke kuno Miss Pinetown Super Cup ngomhla ka 24 November. Nawo ukhona. Sicela abantu babhalise sivuliwe nakuyabhaliswa uMiss Pinetown Super Cup.
Okay.
Uzobuwenzekela eNew German Hall ngomhla ka 24 kuNovember.
No right, no sizolokho siwafeatureish I think on the next episode so bese singena more ngoMiss usinika more details ukuthi okay what is happening. Isicelo is too big guys nama program ahlukene and also since singena kwinyanga yamanina which is Women's Month. There's a program also esiyenza nekasi to kasi schools program izobe lapha kwaDabeke Shadows kumenywa abantu besimame kakhulu. If ukhona vele umuntu wesilisa uzo supporta into yomama. It's business engagement, networking, main guest yakhona it's brand ebizwa ngo Forever Living.
Okay.
They will be doing their products and what not. So umhla ka1 ma available it's free of charge khokhwa mali. Ufika iqala ngo12 midday iphela ngo4. It's a short program.
Siyabonga.
No Msholozi ngicathi sesizobiza umphathi or one of the leaders. For me guys I'm signing out. Please nilandele isicelo Sports Skills iTake2 TV ni subscribe lapha ya masibuya kwi break neSpare sichaza kabanzi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Back to the Danko Diski podcast. Sibuyile bafethu kusayimini uKing Shamase. As I told you guys ukuthi sise Pine Crest, Pine Creek. ngihleli ke one of the leadership uSandile uzosichazela kabanzi ukuthi baphetheni la elokotho athina ama specials yipi into engagijimela njengamanje njengoba sila ePinecrest if you are around ePinetown. Welcome to the show, my king.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yasacela nje utshela abantu emakhaya ukuthi ubani bese ke usitshela ngale special esikhona njengamanje nokuthi siphela nini sihamba how long simnandi kanjani.
Okay. Igama uSandile bafowethu mina umphathi wala ePinecrest Center Pine Creek Bay. Especially esinazo la estolo sine breakfast that we call Andre breakfast.
Okay.
It's very nice. It got 2 eggs, a portion of chips and 2 slices of bacon crispy and 2 slices of toast.
Okay.
It's customer's choice, white toast or brown toast. It comes with a free coffee. That's how we
This
do
one.
it. Yeah, this one. That's a filter coffee.
Sure.
And it comes with. And then we have Ama ribs. That's 400 gram ribs and 600 gram ribs.
Okay.
The 400 gram ribs, it also comes with chips and onion rings. That's customer's choice of veggies or green salad. Also 600 gram ribs, same thing applies to chips and onion rings and veggies or salad. 400 grams, it's on 159.90.
Okay.
That's our special.
Yeah.
And then 600 gram ribs, it's 209.90.
Okay.
That's our special that we're running at store.
Breakfast yethu lo qale ngayo yona imalini.
Breakfast engiqale ngayo is 62.90 per
Buffet.
plate with a free coffee. That's
Bafethu. Mnandi kakhulu so affordable. Nami ngiyoshaya yona
hayi
manje.
ufike bafisa mfowethu ufike usoshaya.
And khumbuza abantu mphathi ukuthi amakhadi lawe family esicelo if you do have that card usune extra ukuthi uthole 10%.
10% off, yes.
Imagine.
You get a 10% off and the first customer that we're going to get, we're going to note it down and then Strel will announce on
the shadow night.
On the shadow night on the 9th
of August.
Of August.
Okay.
Yes.
No, thank you so much sabonga kakhulu mfethu and also ukuthi nisilekelele kulento esiyenzayo nibone iimpact ne movement ne staff as a whole guys nisiphethe kahle.
Hayi siyabonga nathi kakhulu.
Thank you guys ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe lapha ku Take2 TV nilandele isicelo Sports Skills Development and come to ePinetown ePinecrest. Futhi manifuna ukufika ngalesikhathi sisakaza siqopha njalo ngama Thursdays but we'll announce if siphazamiseka. Yeah, signing out.
Okay, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much.
Danko.